Baby 2, who is Rebel, she was born at 7:09. So one born on a Tuesday, one born on a Wednesday, so they have different birthdays. Baby A is born on the 19th and baby B was born on the 20th. So it was a very long day, but we made it.